Morning, YouTube. This morning, working on the garden, and we are going to fix this fan. So we've got this fan, and every so often, we replace these. It's an indoor fan, and we replace these blades, but they just get droopy. So I'm going to try. I've got an old road sign, aluminum road sign, and I'm going to take these off, make a pattern, and put metal blades on there. I'm going to paint this up, make it look great. So there's my road sign I want to use. I'm going to pull that out, make a pattern, cut 4 blades there, stick it on that fan. Now it shouldn't be too bad because this is aluminum and the thickness is less than those blades that are actually there, so the screws will fit. And I don't think it'll be too heavy for the motor, but we'll see. Alright, there it is. That ought to do the trick. Thickness there. It's really lightweight. I think it'll work. We just got to get it cut up, put a quick paint job, and she's back in business. So this is one of the blades. You can see, I don't know if you can really tell, but that's just like pressed paper. It's made for indoor use and has been using it outdoors. So it gets that bend in there. You can see that thickness, quite a bit of difference. I think we've got enough material. Let's mark it out, get it cut up. So we'll trace this pattern on here. Plenty of room for 4. Let's check it out. There it is. Get these things ready for some paint. I've been shaking this for a while, so it's ready. We'll see if we can get this cleaned up a little bit. Put some paint on that too, because I don't think it'll clean up to look good. I'm not going to paint these. I want to have a little contrast, but we'll see if we can clean it up, make it look a little better. See if we can clean this up a little bit. First blade going up.
So there it is, all back together. Now you can see if it runs. Oh yeah, looking good. It's a little wobbly. I guess I should take a look at that. Well, try to get it to stop wobbling. But it was wobbling before, hadn't fallen down yet. But I imagine that much movement, eventually it's going to fail. But we'll wait till then. Yeah! So, there you go. And looks better. Might not operate any better. So we'll see. But I like it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.